Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add two videos in one frame on CapCut. For this, first of all, we open CapCut. Then open a new project. Select a video, go below, and click on Add. Once it's added, go to the bottom and scroll to the right side until you see Aspect Ratio. Now we will select 9:16. After that, hit the check mark. After that, select the video, scroll to the right side, then click on Transform, and click on Resize. After that, I will select one by one, zoom out, and adjust the transform side. Once it's done, hit the check mark at the top right corner. Adjust this video to the top. Once it's done, go back and now scroll to the right and click on Overlay. Click on Add Overlay. Select the video, then click on Add. Now with this video, we will do the same thing. Scroll to the bottom, click on Transform, then click on Resize. Select 1:1 ratio. Adjust the transform area, then hit the check mark. After that, adjust this video at the bottom. Now, this is the final result. That was the way how to add two videos in one frame on CapCut. And if you found this video helpful, please like it, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.